passions with millions of fans and people from all over the world. She brought you hits like Every Time We Touch, Miracle, Truly, Madly, Deeply, ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present live on stage the unreached, unchallenged, the award-winning true queen of dance,